I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. We recently got some of these really sweet socks in. These are for little kids. They're called Messy Moose socks. And they have all these cute little things on the toes. So when kids are wearing them, they just love them to play with the little toys on their toes. And this is a little turtle. We have ladybugs. We have little bees. And I think I have a few young little customers that love purple. Look at this cute little dog. He's got a little ribbon in his hair. So really fun gifts for showers, for babies that just like to run around in the house. They're really sweet. And then we also have a few other things for kids. We have some really nice hand tools. So if they want to help mom in the garden, they're really fun for that. Little metal tops on them and a wooden handle, so really durable, and bright colors, which is nice as well. So kids love to help mom in the garden or maybe dad in the garden. We have a really nice little birder kit. Last time we got these in, we sold out of them really quickly, but it's got a little binocular, a little book. I think there's a little bag to carry it in, so if they're hiking, they can take it with them in the little bag. We have a little watering can. We have a butterfly net. One other thing we have are these little critter cases. It's a cute little case. They can carry them around. There's a little opening on the side so they can catch some little bugs inside and have a good look at them and then let them go again later. And we have gloves, lots of great little gloves to go with the tool set. So all kinds of fun things for the kids. So I hope you'll drop by and have a look and give the kids something to do this summer. Thanks for joining me on The Garden Gate. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.